Okay, today we're going to talk about MemoryDB for Redis. So, you might be wondering, why is there MemoryDB for Redis when there's already Elasticache, which has Redis support? The important thing to remember for the exam is that MemoryDB is for when you want to use Redis essentially as a database, and Elasticache is for when you want to use Redis as a cache. Although Elasticache does have some features like snapshots, etc., replicas, clusters that you could use to use Redis as a database. But the general principle is database Redis, MemoryDB, cache Redis, use Elasticache. So what is MemoryDB? I don't think the details are going to realistically come up on the exam. You just need to know about that difference that I've already spoken about. But it allows you to have a cluster for Redis, which will have excellent latency because everything is stored in memory. But it is also written through a transaction log, which is spread across availability zones in a similar way to Aurora. And that means that you can have excellent performance across all availability zones. We've got a summary there for you. Until next time, enjoy the cloud.